It's Saturdays with Sarah, but also sometimes Sunday because I am a full-time student and I'm really busy. Yeah. Hey bitches, I'm back with another car vlog. I posted one of these a few months ago. Me doing my 7-hour drive back to school, and for some reason it got a lot of views. I don't know if it was just the title or like people actually really liked it, but usually I get like 100 views on my videos, and that one I have like 1.5k. So that's reason number 2 that I'm making another one. Reason number 1 is I don't have a video for this week because I am going back to school and I'm moving into my apartment this week, and I have recruitment workshops and like crazy stuff all week before school starts, so I'm gonna be swamped. So I thought I'd film this. This is a legitimate documentation of what I have to do to keep myself, you know, lively, awake, excited when I drive for 7 hours by myself. So yeah, hour 1 baby, just went through Stockton. Also, just an update, I don't have an aux cord in my car because it's old, so I have to listen to CDs on the drive because there's no radio. So if you're gonna judge my music, don't. They're all throwback CDs. So cue the karaoke montage. No chance, no way, I won't say it, no, no. Yes, so I deny it, oh, it's too cliche, I won't say I'm in love. Under the mistletoe, it's August. Shawty with you, shawty with you. Under the mistletoe, 'cause we gonna go all night till we see the sunlight. Alright, la da di da di. We like to party, dancing with Molly. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. When I was 13, I had my first love. Ain't nobody that compared to my baby, ain't nobody come between us that could never come above. She had me going crazy, I was starstruck. She woke me up daily, don't need no Starbucks. She made my heart pound. See what I mean when I see her in the street, and that's cool on the playground. But I really want to see her on the weekend. She knows she got me daisy, 'cause she is so amazing. And now my heart is breaking. Baby, 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 oh. Living in my own world, didn't understand that anything can happen. This could be the start of something new. It feels so right to be here with you. Oh. Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Grab my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. 'Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, toes. Trying on all our clothes, boys pulling up our phones. Hey guys, I just stopped for food and gas and stuff at the Kettleman stop, which is where I stop every time. And I feel like crashing my car into a wall because I usually stop at this food exit when I'm going home, as in Rockland home. So out of habit, I took the exit to go north on 5 instead of south. And apparently the closest way to turn around is 10 miles. So I'm going 10 miles out of my way. As if I didn't have enough miles left. I'm so fucking upset. Literally right when I got off the on-ramp, I was like, come on. I'm an idiot. At least I have food. Okay, we're back on track. I knew something bad had to happen. The drive was just going way too smoothly. I realized I've never shown you guys the view the other direction. You're always looking at me. So this is my thrilling drive. I'm currently going 60 on a 2-lane highway, which is like so much much fun. I'm having the time of my life. Thank you for getting over finally, you fucking dickhead. It's a truck, like a actual large truck towing a boat. Wait, are those cows? Oh my god! I hope those cows aren't gonna get killed. I fucking love cows! A love. A wise man followed a star. Okay, so I put in my Ed Sheeran CD while I was eating because I was like, I need something that I don't want to like sing along to and like rock out to. But now it's just like kind of giving me depression. Like, love Ed Sheeran, love his simpy songs, but like deep down I am like really sad about leaving my home again and like leaving my dogs. I'm gonna see my parents in a few weeks, but I won't see my friends or any of my pets until November, and I know I'll see them again. Hopefully my dogs don't die. They're really old. But I don't know, I just really hate change, so I think I'm gonna turn the Ed Sheeran CD off because it's making me sad, and I've been trying really hard to not be sad this time and not cry. I just cried. I literally teared up once when I said bye to my dogs, and other than that I've been good. And then this Ed Sheeran CD came on and I'm like, it's depression. About 3 hours left. So far it's been like really chill. Sorry, this is probably like not interesting. I've just been like singing music and having a good time. Okay, so there's an exit on the drive to Fullerton and Disneyland called Button Willow. And when my ex-boyfriend and I were driving to Disneyland with his family one time, they were like, oh my god, like Button Willow is our exit. Like they had like this whole story about it. So like every time I fucking drive by Button Willow, I'm like, come on! Like, it just like pisses me off and I have to drive by it every time I go to and from school. So that's the tea, sis. Alright, so I caved. I usually just stop once and then almost pee myself when I'm about to get there. This time I decided to stop. I got off at the Magic Mountain exit and peed. So I'm about an hour and a half away. I'm getting excited.
Use the left 3 lanes.
Shut up, Siri. You know you're an alto when your vocal range consists of prepubescent Justin Bieber. I just passed Hollywood Way. I love living in LA. I live in Fullerton. It's right by Anaheim. It's not LA. So, hi, my name's Sarah, and I'm a greasy pig. The amount of, not sweat, the amount of grease that my forehead and nose have produced throughout this 7-hour drive is repulsive. Okay, so this trip is going, shut up, Justin. This trip is going like weirdly smooth. Like I have like 20 minutes left. So I left later than I usually do. Usually I leave at like 8 and I try to get to either home or Fullerton by like 5 because I'm, you know, trying to get as much time as I can. But this time I was like, I'm in no rush. I left at noon and I'm getting here at around 8. And I like totally missed all this city traffic. I mean, there was like a few slowdowns, but okay guys, I'm pulling in, bitches. I'm back in fully. I'm so happy. I forgot to update you guys. I ran out of water about an hour ago, so I am feeling quite parched. My mouth is really dry. I'm just really glad I didn't die of alcohol poisoning. I'm just really glad I didn't die of dehydration, you know? It could have been a close one. Where am I going? I forgot like how to drive, I think. Oh, okay, I got it. I'm pulling into the UHS, bitches. Here we come, Morgan. Okay, I'm gonna focus because we have unprotected turns here, so.
Slob on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job. Lay on the bed and give me head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg. Juicy is my name, sex is my game.